Long na, taas ng okay, first 5. Pasok, first 5. Pasok. Okay. Uy, wala pa. Blue ball. 26. Pass to 18. 18. Pass to 86. Jump shot. No good. Rebound number 9. Pass to number 2. Number 2 pass to number 31. Number 31 pass to number 14. No good. Rebound number 26. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 86. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 31. Big shot. Foul. Number 31.
31 first, personal foul.
Number 26, pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound number 36. Pass to number 14. Rebound number 22. Number 18, ang bilis. Pass to number 26. Shot rate, wala. Dual number. Number 2. Ang bilis, di maabot. No good. Rebound number. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Number 18. Dribble the ball. Number 18. Pass to number 86. Pass to number 21. Back to number 86. Number 18. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 31. Another rebound number 31. Number 14. Pass to number 9. Dinalik na number 14. Pass to number 26. Tumatake. Nasuntutan. Nice steal. Number 86. Yun lang, pinakabol. Green ball. Last 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, conversion. Number 2. Pass number 9. Number 9 pumukol na 3. Wala rebound number. Number 14, save the ball. Number 18, steal. Crossover, jump shot. No good. Number 31, pass to number 2. Number 2. Patay pass to number 36. Yun, nakascore na. 2 points for number 36, Jerome. Number 18. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 26. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Number 2. Yan ba? Pass to number 14. Pumukol ng 3 sa layo. Rebound number 31. 2 points for number 31. Score 4-0. Green Ball Brothers. Number 18. Jump shot. Basket. 2 points. Number 14. Pass to number 2. Number 2. To number 36. To number 14. Umatake. Pinasa number 36 ng meta. Wow! Basket for number 36. Who's fouled it?
Number 18, first personal foul. First team foul.
Bonus shot, pasok. Complete the 3-point play. Number 18. Pass to number 21. Back to number 18. Number 18 na lang. Pass to number 36. Pass to number 86. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 92. No good. Rebound number 18. Ang bilis. No good. Rebound number 31. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Ang bilis na number 2. Patake. Tinira. Wala. Rebound number 26. Anong rebound? Push power.
Number 86, first personal foul, second team foul.
Number 86, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 36. First free throw. So,
Condition na.
second free throw, no good. Rebound number 31. Number 2, pass number 14. Kumuha na tres. Wala. Oy, rebound number 31 ulit. 3 points for number 9. Number 18, pass to number 86. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 26. Open 3. No good. Rebound number 18. Wala pa rin. Number 31 for rebound. Pass to number 2. Out. Chase 5.
Anong pause yung number nun? 26? Anong number nung ano?
26.
26, first personal foul, third team foul, second team foul.
Green ball. Number 1. Pass number 18. Pass to number 11. Back to number 7. Back to number 1. To number 24. Open. Tira, wala. Rebound number. Stepping on the line. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Number 94. Pass to number 7. Tumira, wala. Rebound, down tractor. Number 8. It's over. Number 05. Pass to number 52. Pass to number 8. Tumol na tres. Wala. Foul.
Foul number 83, first personal foul, second team foul.
Last 14 seconds to shoot. Number 8, right back, shot pick. Pass to number 14, Kevin Boy.
5 to shoot.
3 to shoot. Outside. Air ball. Number 1. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 88. Tumira, wala. Rebound number 1. Pass to number 7. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Pass number 83. Open. No good. Rebound number 8. Long now. Long now. Pass to number 52. Tumira, wala.
Time out.
Time out! Titans. Last Titans.
Official score 2-11.
Titans na lang, Titans.
Game na, bisahin mo.
Back to the ball game. Pasok na habang mainit pa. Brothers ball. Number 1. Pass number 18. Pass number 83. steal the ball. Number 14, ang bilis, di mahabol. Easy performs. Number 1, pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 88. Pass to number 83. Pass to number 24. Okay. No good. Number 5. Number 5, pumatake. Steal. Number 7.
Traveling.
Traveling violation. Safe foot violation.
Same foot, same foot.
Safe foot, safe foot.
Kita, travel.
Kanan to kanan, tas kinaliwa. Number 14. Pass to number 8. Open. Chopping. Wala. Number 14. This still number 83. Number 1. Pass to number 88. Pass to number 24. Back to number 1. Back to number 88. Matake. Umira. Wala. Pag-inawag sila. Push foul rin.
Offensive foul number 88. 88 ba yan?
Okay.
First personal foul.
Number 52. Number 52. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 5. Open. Tumatake. May tinawag sila. Push foul rep.
Foul number 24. Second personal foul. First, sorry.
2 free throws for number 5. First shot, wala. Last shot. Wala ulit. Number 1. Number 1. Gumagawa ng player. Nice steal ni number 5. Ang bilis. Tumingin pa. 2 points for number 5. Pasa.
Stop mo.
Last 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 8, open 3 to the corner. Score 13-11. Lamang ng dalawang brothers.
Piche. Biinit na yun, mamaya.
Pag nag-tap out yun.
Wala, yung takin hanggang dito sa 10 eh.
Pag nag-tap out yun, alam na.
Back to the ball game. Brothers ball. Number 2, start the second quarter. Pass number 44, over 3, tumira. Wala. Rebound number 55. Pass number 9. Pass to number 13, Gonzales. Tumatay. Wow. Push foul na.
Ha? Number 2.
There's
Number
15
2.
seconds to shoot.
First personal foul.
15 seconds. 15. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 24. Number 24. Number 2. Pass to number 22.
Patay.
Tumira. Wala. Kuha ni number 2. Tumira. Points for number 2. Number 13. Gonzales. Number 9. Pass to number 29. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 21. Back to number 44. Number 44. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Patake. Tumira. Using the board. 2 points.
21, first personal foul. First team foul.
2 free throws for number 9. Pasok ang unang free throw. Yung number 9. Last throw. Pasok alik. Yung pinagbago. Number 2. Number 2. Pass number 44. 3 points for number 44. Lumalayo na naman ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Number 13, Sales. Last touch for Brothers. Number 13, last 10 seconds to shoot. 3 for number 24. Number 2, pass number 22. Nawala yung bola. Tinira. Wala. Rebound win. Titans ball. 55. Back to number 13. Number 13, pass number 29. Tinira. Wala. Rebound number 25. Points for number 25. Rebound last points. Number 2, pass to number 21. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 2. Number 2, atake. Pinasa po number 36. May nakuhang foul.
Number 29, first personal foul. First team foul.
2 free throws for number 36. Basket. So, unang free throw. Last free throw. Wala. Number 13, umatake. Wala. Number 13, rebound another points, another rebound for number 25. Number 22, pass number 21. Number 2, ang bilis. Rebound number 26, bola. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 9. 2 points for number 9. Number 22, tumira. Wala. Number 29, pass to number 25. Number 25, pass to number 79. Tumira ulit. Another 2 points for number 29. Number 44. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 44, pass to number 2. Wala. Rebound ni 22, tumira. Wala ulit. Rebound number 2. Timeout, Brothers. Score all 21. Boses. Back to the ball game. Titans ball. Last 6 minutes in 6 seconds. Last 18 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Open. Pass number 29. Ang ganda. Easy 2 points for number 29. Ito pasa sa Tandira. Number 36. Namatake. Binali. Wala. Lima number 29. Transition for number 9. Open. Basket.
Number 9. Limang na po ang Titans ng apat.
Number 2. Pass to number 22. Bulo ng desk. Huli. Number 25.
Pass to number 55. Pass to number 79. Bumukol ng dos. Wala. Rebound number 22.
Pass to number 36. Pass to number 44. Good boys for number 44.
Number 13. Gandang pasa. Nawala yung bola. Number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 25. Pumunta kay Hooligan. Cage 5. Cage 5.
Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Magpapainit muna yung mga nanlamig sa bench. Pasok, pasok. Titans ball. Si Palpal Number 6.
Nalaro. Lalaro eh.
Last 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 18.
Meron.
Pass number 8. Down na for 3.
Lapit na.
Wala. Rebound number 31.
Yun lang. Wala na. Papunta doon sa baba. Meron pa.
1-on-1 for number 5. Pass to number 9.
Wow! 3 points for number 9. Lamang na po ng Isaac Brothers. Number 5. Watay. Spin move. Wala. Rebound number. Save mo lang tinawag nyo rin. Tumama sa number 9.
Ayan na, naglapit na.
Number 5.
Pass to number 8. Long no. Another one. Wala ulit. Grabe yung bali. Isa pa. May nahuli. Foul. Anong number rin?
Foul, number 24. Second personal foul. 17 foul.
Diyan ko sabi yun din sa isa ilalim, palit sila ng beto.
First goal. Score, all 26. Walang lamang.
Second throw.
Wala.
Huli. Sa number 18. Mabilis na. Mabilis na yung mata. Bumira. Wala. Rebound number 18. Kuwani number 24. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 9. Easy 2 points for number 9. Lamang nila ng Wawa Brothers. Number 18. Pass over. Yan naman. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 8. Shot fake. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass to number 14. Number 14, playing the back. Jerry wala. Nakuha ni number 14. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Ang ganda ng pasa. Tumenge. Kobe.
Grabe yun, humiga na.
Grabe yun. Favorite goals. Number 1, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9, shot fake, tumira, wala. Titans ball. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Last 160 seconds. Tumira, down shot, easy 2 points for number 18. Change play more, labang na po ng dalawa ng Titans. Number 1, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24, easy 2 points for number 24. Number 14, 15 seconds to shoot. Was over. Number 5. Ganda ng pasa. Tumalbog lang. Okay, transition number 1.
Time out, time.
Titans!
Change favor.
Ganda ng laban.
Ganda dalawa. Higit yung laban. Ang ganda nito, panoorin. Dito lang yan. Sa phase 3. Proper. Magandang laban. Kala mo, PBA.
Back to the ball
Back to
game.
the ball game. Titans ball.
Basel mo.
Back to the ball game na tayo. Nag-aabot na po tayo ng oras. Baba pa.
Papagonti kayo. Mahirap yun.
Yari tayo palagoti.
Bukas na lang kayo sa Lunes ko lang.
Toss coin na lang, toss coin.
Last 19 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Number 5, open three, pinabayaan! Wala! Rebound number 31, pass to number 1. Pass to number 2 ulit. Umatake. Pass to number 24, nawala yung bola. Titans goal. Number 18, ang bilis. Pass to number 31, pass to number 8. Open 3, long low, wala. Number 9, rebound, pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 24, number 24. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Wala. Pass to number 14. To the ball. Wala. Rebound number 8. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 18 na kita yung nakampi. Pass to number 14. Wala. In and out. Number 1. Pass to number 14. Number 14 tumatake. Pass to number 1. Jump shot. Easy 2 points for number 1. Labang na po ang Rogers sa kapat. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Sweep move. Time. Wow! Basket for number 8. Push ball, right?
Number 3. Huh?
31.
31 pala. 31, second personal foul. Third team foul.
Bonus free throw for number 8.
Manuel, huwag kayo malalaki.
Pasok. Yun ang minipis.
Huwag kayo malalaki. Huwag kayo malalaki. Lalaki. Lasat guys.
Number 1.
Kasi di kaya ni...
14 seconds to shoot.
Hindi niya kakayanin.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 1. 9 seconds to shoot. The buzzer beater.
3 points for number 9.
Grabe yung kamay.
Official score 37-33 in favor of Brothers team.
Lamang na ulit ng 4 ang Brothers. Kaya kayo 20 seconds.
Ano pa? 27, 40.
Huwag kayo malaki, mga dalawa pa. Ang lalaki nyo do.
Huwag kayo ng 25 years old. Malalaki.
Solid do.
Okay. Back to the ball game na tayo. Lumagpas na. 47. Titans ball. Three tower for Titans. 1 tower for 36. Number 13. Start the third quarter. Number 13 mamalakit. Ganda ng pasa. Gandang tira. Number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Jorat, take. Pinasa to number 2. Pass to number 83. Pass to number 7. Jorat, shot, wala. One number 36. Umeke. Wala. Nakuha ni number 25. Number 86. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 2. Number 39. Another punch for number 39. All 37.
Dikit ah. Wala. Rebound number 86. Pass to number 13, the point guard. Save ball.
And 14 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot.
Number 29, pass to number 13. Gumagawa ng play. Number 29, tumukol ng 3. Wala. Outside.
Number 44.
Number 44. Pass to number 2. Tinatamitan ng bilis. Pass to number 83. 3 points for number 83. Lang ulit ng dalawa ang brothers. Number 13. The point guard of timeouts. Number 52. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 86. Uli. Number 2. Ang bilis din number 7. 2 points for number 2. Number 52. Number 52. Pass to number 13. Kumiki. Wala yung bola. Save ball ang tawag na rin.
Save ball.
Last 11 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Okay, 3. Bye! 3 points for number 13. Isa na lang po ang kalabawan ng brothers. Number 7. Pass to number 36. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound number 25. Alam mo, may magnet yung kamay eh. Dinata ko nila eh.
Ribbon niya ba?
Uy, siyempre. Passing number. Okay, brothers ball. Last 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 36. Foul basket for number 36.
Number 25.
Dexter Marcel, substitution rep.
Number 25, first personal foul. First team foul.
Bonus free throw for number 36. Ay, number. Wala. Rebound number 25.
Number 86. Pass to number 15. Miscommunication for number 13 and number 52. Number 2. Ginagamit na ng bilis. Number 7. Back to number 2. Last 15 seconds to shoot. 44. Pass to number 36. Tumatake na naman. Bola! Tawag nyo rin. Number 52. Pass to number 13. Open 3. Kumeke. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 21. Pass to number 2. Ginagamitan na naman ang bilis. Pass to number 36. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Huli ka. Push foul, right?
Number 25. Second personal foul. 17 foul.
Last 14 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. Number 36. Okay, Titans ball.
Turnover.
Last 340 seconds. Number 52. Nakakuha ng foul. Substitution, rep.
31. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Last 334 seconds. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9, rebound. Number 44. Substitution. Number 36. Hey, nakawala naman foul! Push foul, rep. Foul basket for number 36. Foul number 25. Substitution, pasok ang mga pogi.
Sino Paul?
25.
25 si Erin. 25. Third personal foul. 17 foul.
Bonus free throw for number 36. Basket. Complete the triple play. Last 316 seconds.
Wala. Steal! Umawi. Foul. Foul number 36.
Number 36, first personal foul, 17 foul.
Last 304 seconds. First throw. Wala.
That's
Last free throw for number 5. Pasok. Number 44. Number 44.
Wala. Rebound number 86. Pass to number 8. Na-on track ko. Spin move. Wala. Ilabas. Brothers ball. Number 2. Number 36. Matain na naman. Nawala yung bola. Nawala yung bola. Pass to number 26. Saan na? Pass to number 86. Easy 2 points for number 86. Number 44, stop. Number 44. Good. Tawag ka rin. Yan na, number 8. 3v2 in transition. 2 points for number 18.
Brothers, score 46-45. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Brothers.
parang may gusto ko sabihin
5-point run ang ginawa ng Titans. Magandang depensa at magandang hustle ang pinakita ng Titans. Back to the ball game.
Green ball, green ball.
Last 238 seconds. Ay, 48 seconds.
Number 24, pass to number 13. Traveling violation. Nauna ang paa, pagod sa dribble. Number 18, pass to number 8.
Umeke.
Set. Ay, tinawag sa red. Ginamit mo ang pivot mo.
Last 280 seconds.
Number 1, kumuha ng tres. Apat na naman po ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Number 36, passing number 21, passing number 8. Brothers ball. Wala, rebound number 5.
Substitution. Last 150 seconds.
Number 14. Matake. Koy. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 5 ulit.
Malaki nito, mga 6 footer.
Foul shot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Basket. Last 100 seconds.
Ha?
Foul. Basket. Foul basket for number 24. Bonus free throw for number 24.
Sino foul?
Last
Number 5.
97 seconds. Pasok ang bonus free throw ni number 24. Complete the triple play. Overboarding, pass na number 5. Umawi! Wow! Ang tinawag si Rep.
Sino to?
Number, ano rin? Number 31?
31?
Wait lang.
Number 31, fourth personal foul.
Pasok ang first free throw ni numbers 5.
Wait lang.
Mamaya po, mamaya.
Bawal yan sa first.
Oh, pasok. Dito, ano, balagbagan, ano?
Last 84 seconds. Open for number 24. Easy 2 points. Number 24.
Shooter na yun itong green, no? Gusto mo sa play.
Last 70 seconds. Number 5. Hangtay. Wala. Sa'yo na ulit. Wala. Good luck. Number 31. Floater. 2 points. Number 1. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 24. Umatake. Foul.
Foul.
Foul number 31.
Number 21. First personal foul. 13 foul.
Last 49 seconds and 0.7. Pasok ang first free throw ni number 24. Last free throw for number 24. Pasok ulit. Number 8. Dribble the ball. Number 8. Matake. Pumeke. Pinasa to number 1. Back to number 5. Tumuka ng 3. Umiinit na po. Si number 5. Last 24 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 24. Back to number 9. Open 3. Wala. Ang bintis na. Di ba number 31? Pass to number 8. Number 8. 70 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Huli ka. Di ba number 8? Pass to number 18. Huli ka. Score. 59-56. Tatlo po ang Kalabangan ng Brothers.
Legal labas. Diyan ka lags. Legal labas. Ano?
Bakit siya na?
Ha?
Ganda na ng video ni Boss. Ang nalaman sila lang yung sira.
Ay ko.
Sali tayo umabot ng ano? Alas 10.
Pasar mo ko eh. Pasar mo.
Nagbilangan ka.
Hindi. Ang oras. Tignan mo.
Hindi naman yung oras natin.
43 na.
May 46 na eh.
Back to the ball
Makikisan
game.
po at susobra na po tayo sa oras natin. Nag-aabol po tayo ng oras. Brothers ball po tayo. Sundin po natin yung araw natin. Number 2, set. Pass to number 2 ulit. Nahuli number 25. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 14. Wala. Malakas. Number 2. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 2 ulit. Pass to number 21. 21. Pass to number 36. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Pass to number 36. Binali. Wala. Nakuha ni number 7. Umeke. Inira. Wala ulit. Nakuha ni number 36. Foul. Tinawag direct sa daming ating ng brothers.
Number 29, second personal foul, first team foul.
2 free throws for number 36. Basket. Ang una. Ang pangalawa kaya. Papasok ba?
Say less goal.
Bating back net.
Number 14, the point guard of Titans. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Last touch of brothers.
Wag na po tayong bawal, baka ma-technical po tayo. Sundin na lang po natin ang call ni ref. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Number 86, last 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Using the board. 2 points, 4 kaya bigoan. Last 476 seconds. 2 points for number 7.
Lumalayo po ang kalamangan ng brothers. Number 14. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 86. Open 3. Wala. Viva number 36. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 2. Ginamitan ng bilis. 2 points for number 2. Number 13. Number 14. Pass to number 29. Rico. Wala. Number 26. Give the ball. Pass to number 7. Open.
Time out.
Ha?
Last 465 seconds. Back to the ball game. Last 465 seconds na lang ang natitirang oras sa 4th quarter.
Sol.
Ayun na. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Ang ganda ng ginakita mong moves. Basket count for number 8.
Who's foul, red?
Number 21.
Number 21, second personal foul.
Bonus free throw for number 8. Complete the three-point play for number 8.
Nagsiset na po ng play yung brothers. Pass number 8, 22. Pass number 2. Kumatayin, dumang shot. Wala, rebound number 5. Transition offense. Ang bilis ng dalawa. Easy 2 points for number 14. Number 22. Ginabantay ni number 14. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 36. Dali nga. Nawala. Nakuha ni number 22. Wala ulit. Rebound number 8. Ang timeout po natin, pag-isa na lang po kayo. Score natin, 67-65. Dalawa na lang po, kalamangan ng Brothers.
Dalawa pa dito.
Dalawa po ang Titans, isa na lang po ang Brothers.
Isa yung Brothers.
Ang timeout. Back to the ball game. 408 seconds na lang po ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. 408. Defense ko, ang Titans nyo. Para mapigilan ng atake ng Brothers. Wala. Steal! For number 8. Number 8, deliver the ball. Number 8, ACJ. Pinasa to number 5. Foul! Push foul rin.
Number 36, second personal foul, second team foul.
Last 383 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. Wala ang first free throw ni number 5. Last free throw for number 5. Wala ulit. Same. Ng tira kanina.
Wait lang daw, sabi ni number 14. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Foul. Wala.
Foul number 14, first personal foul. First team foul.
First shot.
Pares first.
2 free throws for number 7. Pasok ang unang free throw for number 7.
Same result.
Last 360 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. Number 8, pass to number 14. Pass to number 18. Back to number 8. Mira na 3. Wala. Number 2. Pass to number 14. Walang tinawag din
Foul number 8, first personal foul, second team foul. First row.
Last 340 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter.
Third row.
Ulit din ang number 14.
Walang nag-bounce out.
3-point play. Ang ginawa niya number 14.
Number 14. Pass to number 18. Tumang shot. 2 ball. Yung number 18.
Dalawa pa.
Number 2. Laban na yung number 18. Mabilis pa rin. Parehas maliksi. Number 14. Umege. Matahin. Tumang shot. Wala. Sipa number 36. One ni number 8. One ni number 18. Crossover. Iwan si number 14. Number 18. Pass to number 5. Wala tinawag sila. Good job. Number 14. Transition. 4 versus 3. Wala. Number 18. In it out. Tumang shot. Pass it. Number 2. Number 18. Number 7. Open. 3. Wala. Out. Ang ginawag na rin.
Foul.
Tayo.
Foul number 8, second personal foul.
Last
Third team foul.
247 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. Same ball. Brothers ball.
Ina.
number 5. Number 18. Mamadali. Number 18. Pick and roll. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 18. Fake. Napakaganda! Isa na lang po kaya mga brothers. Last 2 minutes, 240 seconds. Ang natigil ang oras. Sa fourth quarter. Wala. Malakas ang tira niya gawa. Number 8. Ang season. Umingis to Sober.
Foul!
Foul.
Foul number 1. First personal foul.
Substitution.
Third team foul. Ino.
Last 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds.
Pasok na si Aaron, palitan niyo yung 86.
Nabasa na po eh. Wala. Number 36. Wala number 46. Wala number 18. Bad pass. Back to number 8. Stability. Violation ng tinawag nila. Substitution.
Traveling talaga lang, no?
Kitang-kita.
Kita-kita lang, no? Traveling talaga.
Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Last 200 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. Number 24. Matake. Bigot. Wala. One number. 86. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Bigot to goal. Last 180 seconds to shoot. At 80 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. Last 9 seconds, 8 seconds to shoot.
Foul.
Foul
contest.
Again for number 5.
Who's foul, right?
Substitution.
Sino foul? Sino foul? Sino foul? 14.
14.
First personal foul.
Bonus free for number 5. Wala. Nakuha ulit ni number 5. Umigo, tumispin mo. Foul. Offensive foul.
Sat.
Substitution. Last 150 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. 10 seconds.
Basket time out, Toy. Basket. Padag basket.
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Time out. Time out.
Titans. Change favor. Lamang na naman ang brothers ng isa. Time out po natin. Tag-isa na lang po kayo. Titans saka brothers. Isa na lang po ang time out nyo.
Pag tumama yun, sakit.
Back to the ball game. Mainit ang laban. Bigit na bigit. Huwag nyo lang pautihin. Baka ma-postpone. Mahirap. Wala na tayong oras.
Ay, nilabas na si Long, no? Yari kayo dyan.
Number 18. Number 18. Pass number 5. Forista. Number 5. Ang matao! Foul!
Number 24, third personal foul. Third team foul.
Last 99 seconds ang natitirang
13 foul, Toy.
ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. 99 seconds. Dito, pasok. Tayo na po sa 74 ang score. Wala. Rebounding. Number 5 ulit. Bumalik yung bola. Matake. Number 5. Wala. Rebounding. Same ball ang tinawag ni Ray.
ball.
Last 90 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. Number 86. Wala. Nakuha ni number 21. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Gumagawa ng play. Pass to number 9. Foul.
Foul, number 31. 31, second personal foul.
Down.
13 foul.
Down ang tawag ni ref. Down tayo. Brothers ball. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Foul.
Foul.
2 free throw for number
Foul number 86, second personal foul.
Last 85 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter.
Court na 14 foul. Court. 14 foul.
Sab kaya pag pumasok po.
Pag pumasok. Pasok mo si Erin. Labas na yung 86. Sab.
Sab Chito doon. Pasok. Labas. Number 18. Last 20 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Give the ball. Pass to number 5. Ay na naman si number 5. Yun na.
8 seconds shot clock. 5 to shoot.
Was open. Same ball. Last 2 seconds. Ang nagtitirang oras. 2 seconds.
2 seconds to shoot. Turnover.
Last 59 seconds ang natitirang oras sa fourth quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 7 seconds to shoot.
7 to shoot. 7 to shoot.
7 to shoot.
Foul. Long. Third personal foul. Timeout. Timeout, Team Titans.
Titans.
Tarik mo na, Toy. Tarik mo na.
Back to the ball game na tayo. Sumasobra lang po tayo sa oras. Kailangan natin bilisan.
Team Titans, wala na kayong timeout na.
Isa na lang sa brothers. Ang timeout.
Lane violation.
Line violation na ginawang hirap.
Toy, oras tayo ha.
Last 41 seconds and 24 seconds to shoot. Ano naman ang ginagawa ng brothers ngayon? Number 5. Basket! Siya na po ang kalamangan ng brothers. Number 21, pass number 24. Last 24 seconds. Slow 21. Stop the ball.
Oy! Backing! Backward! Number 24, backward violation. Kitang-kita.
Committee. Nandun pa lang, oh.
Number 24, backcourt violation. Kitang-kita namin dito.
Nandito pa lang kayo sa bilog, oh. Di pa nakakabas sa video.
Basket timeout.
Huwag mo na.
Wala. Good, Jod.
18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. That's 15 seconds to shoot.
Foul. Who's for red?
All warning sa foul tayo, ah. All warning.
Ay, teka lang, Toy. Tumingin mo na. Number 31. Chip foul. Foul out.
Number
Pag pumasok po. Ano po tayo?
pwede ba time out? Pwede time out?
Pag pumasok.
Pag pumasok po yan, time out.
Oo.
Mamaya, isisip
Foul out
po
na
yan.
yun, isa. Kaya nag-sub. Time out.
Time out, brothers! Parehas mo tayo. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Pero tayo parehas.
Last 9 seconds. Score 80-79 in favor of Team Titans.
Back to ball game po tayo. Sumusobra na po tayo sa oras.
Brothers ball. Ball.
Game na tayo, wala nang oras.
Ang saya ng team mo dun, ah.
Both teams, wala nang timeout.
Both teams warning for penalty tayo parehas.
Both teams, warning for penalty.
Ang ganda ng laban talaga. Dikit na dikit.
Wala, volleyball. Wala rin. Congratulations, Team Titans. Score 80-79. Ang panalo, Team Titans.
Ang ganda ng laban. Kala mo na sa PBA. Dikit na dikit.